Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Good morning to all of you. I would like to say something about my daily routine. First of all, I usually wake up at 5 o'clock. The first thing I do is check my phone. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face and take ablution. Then I say prayer in mosque. After that, I go for a walk and come back home after an hour. Then I have my breakfast around 8:30 a.m. After taking my breakfast, I study up to 10 a.m. I have my lunch at 2 p.m. and take rest for a while. After that, in the evening, I go for a walk with my friends. I practice English for about an hour every day. In the evening, I do my study. I usually have dinner around 10 p.m. Then I read for a while. Around 10:30, I usually brush my teeth and wash my face. I usually hit the bed by 11 p.m. That's all about my daily routine. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you all.